Hi car friends, in this video I will show you how to change the battery on the key fob for a BMW F10 and F11. But before we go into that, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I am thankful for all the support I can get. Write a comment and I will get back to all of you. What you need is a small screwdriver and a new CR2450 battery. First remove the key by pressing the small button on the backside and pulling out the key at the same time. Then take the small screwdriver, push it in the small opening in the side. Push the small tab and the backside will pop out. Remove the battery. Reverse steps to finish.